Okay, guys, so just let me know what I should do. Is this even worth repairing this carbon fiber? Or should I just buy a new one? I mean, I have the money to buy a new one, but I just want to save money first and be smart. You know, as you do want to be smart on every build. But one of these splitter rods came loose on the way home from work. All I heard was whack, whack, whack. And yep, the worst nightmare. Anybody who has a front splitter know you have to periodically check the splitter rod so that you can make sure the adjustment's good for the downforce on your front wheel drive car. But unfortunately, I was working too much. I got a little lazy, and you know, that's what happens. So yeah, just let me know in the comments, man, what I should do. Should I just buy a new one? They're about $400, which I already have to buy, but I mean, if I can get this shit fixed, I'd rather do that for a cheaper price. So just let me know.